Hi, Real Estate Negotiator. I want to ask you a simple but important question. Do you want to use your handphone to shoot 360-degree photos, or we call it Panos? And later you can create a video and post it on YouTube to stay ahead of your competitor to sell and rent property faster? I am sure the answer is yes. My name is Johnson. I am a 360-degree photographer and virtual tour creator for the property developers and also real estate agents and real estate negotiators like you. Are you struggling to find the right clients for the property that you are marketing and missing out on your competitors who can rent and sell better with the latest tech? I am sure all of you real estate agent negotiators have heard about virtual tour, or sometimes people call it VR or AR. And I think almost all real estate negotiators will agree that virtual tour are here to stay. But the hurdle is, I understand, is that you don't want to spend the extra money to go and ask a professional to shoot for you. Now, in the past, or current also, many of you real estate agent negotiators have been taking the traditional 2D photos and you post it in all kind of apps. Okay. And then in the handphones. Maybe many of you thinking, how can I take 360-degree panel or photos with using my handphone and show it to my client? How am I going to do that? Is there a 360-degree DIY that I can use, save on my property marketing budget? Now, this is always a question, budget. You want to use budget item to get more. That's normal. Okay, we try to find ways. Now, only a handful of the real estate negotiators in Malaysia use professional-made interactive VR tour creation for their marketing. Many of you real estate agent negotiators might be thinking, well, property, I'm only selling budget. I'm only selling the mid-cost range property, not the high-end one. So what for I need to use this? I don't want to spend money to get a professional virtual tour photographer that may cost me. They might charge me. In Malaysia, they might charge you about at least 700 ringgit for a very normal virtual tour creation to 1,500 ringgit, depending on the property. Now, what if I tell you that you can learn and do it yourself? Will that be interesting? This revolution can make you stand tall in the budget and also medium property segment because you can produce 360-degree photograph using your handphone in a very cheap way, rather than spending thousands of ringgit buying expensive cameras, softwares, and getting hosting. I tell you, that is not easy. I have designed, when I look at all this, I have designed a course, which is this course, how you can make it yourself, and then publish in the YouTube and share it with the potential client. Not only that, you can also go online with your clients and you do a virtual tour, like a Google, like Google Meet, like in Zoom. All this I will teach you in this course. I understand you may think, some of things, hey, it is too difficult, too complex. This is only for younger generation. We are not that keen, not savvy on this. Well, let me tell you, I have designed it step by step. Don't worry, the course is a step-by-step process from how to shoot and how to publish and how to do an online visit with your client. You have many years of experience. Some of you have many years of experience in the real estate field. But the world is moving on. If you don't make the change, I have spent thousands of ringgit learning to be a 360-degree photographer and virtual tour creator. It will be unfair for you to spend that much of money and time. What you need is the basic. Therefore, I have formulated this course most budget way. I don't know, it is really budget. When I say it's budget, really budget. The real estate negotiator can shoot 360-degree photograph using your handphone on a physical. It will be most minimum spend on the physical equipments, and you can still shoot 360-degree. To give you a perspective, you only need to spend less than ringgit Malaysia 100 to get all this equipment. And I'll show you where to get it, what to buy, where to buy, how the step by step to complete this 360-degree photos, panorama photos that later you'll be able to publish. Finally, please think of this. What happened to Kodak and also Nokia, especially Kodak? You know, they are tremendously big brand last time, the brand. But what happened to them? They are no more because they failed to change. Now, you negotiators, which is a lot of experience, pick up this course. This course will teach you how to do 360-degree. If you get stuck in doing this, you have support. Okay? So, while you're waiting, hurry up and go and enroll for this course. And I'll see you in the course.